Welcome to our channel. If you need to apply for a U.S. passport quickly while avoiding common mistakes, follow these step-by-step instructions to expedite the process. Step 1. Determine which service you need. Expedited service takes 2 to 3 weeks plus mailing time, while routine service takes 6 to 8 weeks. For urgent travel within 14 days, you'll need an appointment at a passport agency. Step 2. Complete form. DS-11 for a new passport or DS-82 for a renewal. Download the form from the State Department website and fill it out accurately, but do not sign it until instructed by the acceptance agent. Step 3. Gather required documents including proof of U.S. citizenship like a certified birth certificate or previous passport, a valid photo ID, and one passport photo that meets official requirements. Step 4. Have your passport photo taken professionally or ensure it meets all specifications. Recent, color, 2 by 2 inches, plain white or off-white background, and a neutral expression. Poor photos are a common reason for delays. Step 5. Calculate the correct fees. Include application fee, expedited service fee if needed, and overnight delivery fees both ways to ensure fast processing and return. Step 6. If applying in person, locate an acceptance facility near you and visit during their hours. Bring all documents, forms, payment, and be prepared to take an oath and have your signature witnessed. Step 7. For renewals by mail, send your completed DS-82, current passport, new photo, and payment to the address specified for expedited or routine service. Step 8. Track your application status online using the State Department's tracking system to monitor progress and ensure timely delivery before your travel date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.